What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking. In this tutorial I'll be using 0.5 fishing line, a pair of scissors, and 4 mm of rubber beads. Okay, now the beads, I mixed the colors because of the letter I'm making letter T, representing togetherness. So different colors, one letter T. So let's continue by cutting about 19 inches of the fishing line. Okay, so pick 4 of the beads. Pick any color that comes your way, any color at all that comes your way. So the last 4th bead that I pick, I'm going to cross it with the other end of the fish line and pull it down. Okay, use one side of the fish line to pick and the other side to also pick one bead. Then you pick another bead and cross them. You repeat this step until we have 8 beads at the sides of the design or the mat. You pick one for each side and you pick another, then cross it. Pick one again, you pick another, then you cross it. Alright, so you have to repeat this until you have 8 beads on both sides, then 9 beads in the middle. Okay, after this, pass the first line at your right hand side through that immediate bead or the blue bead. Then pick 3 different beads. Then backwards, pass your fish line through that same blue bead. Then through the white and up through the lemon green bead. You repeat the step again by picking another 3 beads. Then pass your fish line up through the lemon green bead. Then okay. Now, as we've done for the right hand side of our fish line, we are going to do the same for the left hand side. Before then, I'm going to tie the fish line on my right by passing it through the hole in the beads and tying it up. So I cut off the excess. Now back to the fishing line which was on my right. I'll pass it through the green bead or the immediate bead. Then pick 3 beads and pass it through that same first bead on my right. Then through the yellow and up through the white, just as we did for the right hand side, which is now on the left. So I'm picking another 3 beads and pass through the white up. Okay, this one too being done, I'm going to tie it up by passing my fish line through the holes in the bead, making a loop and taking out the fish line from it. Then I pull it up. This one too done, I cut off the excess of the fish line. So one part or half of my tea is done, so I'll add another half, so together as one. I'm putting it together, and I'll cut about 21 inches of fish line and tie it to one end of the half tea designed, and tie it. Alright guys, so this being done, I'll cut off the excess and continue to join it. But first, I'll pass it through the immediate bead on my right, which is the red bead. Then put it together with the other half. Line them up. Okay. So they will alternate. You will pick one bead and pass your fish line through the alternative bead on the other side. Please, this place, I'll urge you to carefully watch it so that you won't be confused. So after the blue, the next bead that alternates with the blue is the white bead on the other side. Okay. And from the white bead, you see the next alternative bead at the other side is the black bead. So you pick another bead and pass your fish line through the black bead. You pick another bead and through the next alternative, which is the red bead at the other side of letter T. So basically, this is how you're going to close or join the two halves together to make them one letter T. The alternative bead, you pick another bead and pass it through the next alternative, which is the pink bead. Another through the alternative bead, which is the red bead. The next alternative, which is the lemon green. Next alternative will be, I want you to guess, the blue bead. If you got it right, thumbs up. Guess the next, it will be the sea blue. Okay. Now the next alternative will be the pink. So guys, it's as simple as you've seen. You just pick a bead and pass through the alternative bead on the other side of the T of the design. That is how we join two halves together. Now we're going to repeat this until we reach the last end of the design.
gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leave it behind with every step I take. Yeah, cycle down. Walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look my fear right in the eye. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive. I just wanna feel alive.
Okay guys, now the last one is about to go down. I picked the last one and passed through the last alternative bead that we have. So you can see our T is formed together as one. So I'm going to tie it up to secure it by passing the fish line through the holes in the design or in the bead, then make a loop and pass the fish line through it and pull it up. Okay, I'm passing it through the fish line. Excuse me, I'm passing it through the beads to make it more secured. Then I cut off the excess of fish line. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like the video, click notification bell. Thank you, bye.